Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Tucson. This particular one is a 1.6 GDI petrol, 177 brake horsepower with the DCT 7-speed automatic gearbox. This particular car is in Champion Blue. It was registered September 18 on a 68 plate, registered to Hyundai UK, and they're the first and only owners shown on the registration document, and the car has currently only done 14 miles. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or maybe give us a call on 01305 266 066.